Good day, YouTubers. My name is Murad Saeed. Welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm going to show you how to replace your rear brake pads on a Toyota 86. So stay tuned. Here are the tools I'm going to use to replace the brake pads on the rear, the back side of the vehicle. So you need socket set like this one, brake cleaner. It's the most important thing you have to have in your disposal. Brake parts lubricant, silicone ceramic extreme. I prefer that. This is an awesome product to use by Permatex, and I put my name on it because it's mine. This is the best ratchet to use. That will take out the bolts for the caliper bolts and the bracket caliper bolts. The best one, good leverage for to use. 40mm socket and a 17mm to remove the caliper bracket. You also need a retractor, caliper retractor, which is something like this from Carlisle. The model number is 279 and it's made in USA. Like the screwdriver to retract the pistons when removing the caliper from the brackets. Make sure you have your lug nut wheel because you need this one to remove the security lug nuts. And that's about it. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, you pull out the wheel. There are 5 lug nuts. One is a special type. A special lug nut like this, and this is the key you need to use to take it out. Alright, so first things first, I want to douche it out, clean it out with brake cleaner. No, I didn't break my brake cleaner. Not much left here. So I'm gonna douche it out first. There you go. It looks like it's brand new again. I'll give it time to dry it out. Alright, so it's basically 40mm bolt, 40mm bolt here. This bolt is for the caliper bracket. This bolt is for the caliper itself. Now, as you can see, there's no clearance here to install a socket to use a wrench. But what I do is I take out just one bolt here, flip it up, and then slide it down and rest it on the side. Use this ratchet here from Gear Wrench. This is an awesome ratchet. Okay, I'm gonna place it here. There you go. Unbolt this nut, take it out. Rest the bolt on the side, right here. Okay, take the flathead screwdriver, insert right here, retract the caliper, and as you can see, it's loose. So now you lift it up, you pull it from the boot, make sure the boot wants to come out. So you want to do it like that. You can see how I do it, and slide it out, and rest on the top right here. I don't have the thing to hook up the right here, which is a hole here. Now here's the brake pads. I'm gonna take them out. Use a flathead. Enter here, here, removed. Enter on this side and remove. Notice the indicator mark is down, because it's on the back, not on the front. If it's on the front, it will go on the top. The indicators go on top if they're on the front. If it's on the back, it's on the bottom. So remember that. Okay, now I'm gonna unbolt the bracket for the brake caliper. They're 14 millimeter, and off comes off the brake caliper. As you can see, this is how it looks like. All right, now look at the shims. Shims are basically same from the bottom and on the top. Okay, there's same shape and sizes. We will remove them. We'll clean it off. I'm gonna use a wire wheel like this, and they'll be nice and shiny again. Slide off. Remove these pins. I mean, this. The guides, these are the guides, the sliding guides for the brake pads. They're all rusty and dirty. Okay, throw them to the side or throw them in the garbage, whatever you want to do with them. See how dirty they are? I'm gonna show you the after clean. Okay, so hold on. As you can see, it's nice and shiny on both sides. So we clear all the dirt in the passage. Now we install the new shims. Here are the new shims for the brake caliper bracket. We'll install them. One goes here. As you can see, we install the shims. It's nice and shiny, brand new. Better than the rusted ones here. Now we're gonna take out the sliding pins and lubricate them with this product, brake parts lubricant by Permatex. It's a silicone ceramic extreme, good for high heat temperatures when driving, because it does get very hard when braking, you know, so this is a good product to use. As you can see, I grease up the pins, the sliding pins. Now I'm gonna do this one up here. Grease them up. When we finish, we're gonna mount the bracket. There we go. We'll mount it right now. Make sure we line up the holes. Make sure all this is tight. Okay, and then we're gonna torque it. We're gonna retract the pistons using this brake caliper retractor. Alright, so as you can see, I grease up the pins for the upper top one. This side is already torqued. The piston is all the way on the inside. Now we're gonna insert the caliper back to this like that. So you can see, make sure it's nice and swingy. And then now we're gonna put the brake pads. The blue mark is on the outside and the red mark goes on the inside. See, notice the difference. Notice the brake pads is already installed. See the blue marks on the outside and the red mark on the inside. Install your brake calipers back in the sliding pins. Bring it down gently, and then make sure you fold this one, push it in, and you slide it to the groove. Get your screw, your caliper screw, which is this one here, and then insert to the back here. Make sure it's lined up and screw it all the way in. Make sure brake hoses are not twisted. As you can see, it's perfectly like that, which is how it should be. All right, get your torque, your ratchet with the 14mm socket. Make sure on the on position, and you torque it. that's about it. And the job is done. Put back the wheel, torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds, and it's complete. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribe to me. And always take care of yourself. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.